Well, Lord Jagannath's abode Puri is all set for the one of the most unbelievable spectacles seen during the Chariot Festival. Hundreds of thousands of devotees and visitors from across the world have poured in for this festival, marked by a massive procession moving through the city's decorated streets for over 6 hours. And in Ahmedabad, chariots of Lord Jagannath, Subhadra and Balram will roll out from the Jagannath temple today. Chief Minister Narendra Modi is expected to carry out the symbolic dusting of the road before the Rath rolls out. And NDTV's Rohit Bhan sent us this report.
From this historical temple here in Jamalpur, the chariots of Lord Jagannath, Balram and Subhadra have moved out, they've rolled out. Just a while back, Narendra Modi, the Chief Minister of Gujarat, carried out the symbolic dusting of the street before the Raths rolled out from the Jagannath temple. As you can see behind me, a lot of color in this particular Rath Yatra. If you can see these bhajan mandalis or music groups, they accompany these Raths. They are chanting slogans of Jai Ranchod, Lord Jai Jagannath, and then these Raths which are lined up, the Raths of the chariots of Lord Jagannath, Balram and Subhadra. These chariots will move right through the 14-kilometer stretch across the city, basically covering all these communally sensitive areas of Ahmedabad. But clearly a lot to do for the police, the security agencies, given the fact that this particular Rath Yatra will move through the communally sensitive areas of the city. But yes, a lot of enthusiasm, religious fervor, you can really feel it. The ambience is electric. The bhajan mandalis, they've assembled here. They will be accompanying these Raths right down the 14-kilometer stretch. Besides, 98 trucks will also depicting the traditional fervor of the Gujarat. They will move through these 14-kilometer stretch of Gujarat. So clearly all set for the Rath to move through the 14-kilometer stretch. But yes, unprecedented security, a number of police personnel, paramilitary forces who've been deployed here to ensure that there is a smooth passage of the Rath Yatra. The Yatra will move right through the day, and it's expected that it will culminate here in the evening when these chariots will return to the Jagannath temple here in Jamalpur, all hoping that the entire thing goes off peacefully. In Ahmedabad, Rohit Bhan for NDTV.